Hey guys, how's it going? Jack Gleason with MajorLeagueTrading.com, and I want to talk about a trade I took here today, why I took it, and what we're looking at now. Let's do a little math here. Pull up a calculator. All right, so I actually paid, you can see, $31.33 for these contracts. So 33 multiplied by, I had 62, so 62, roughly 1900 bucks. Okay, so 1900 bucks. When these expire, there's 62 contracts, so that'll be 6200. It's $100 a contract minus, it was like 1943, I think. So just over $4,000, so 4,250 bucks, and then you're gonna have to take commissions out of that as well. There'll be a $62 expiration fee, and it cost me $50 to get in this trade, so minus 110. All right, so call it 4,100 bucks on the day here on a $2,000 risk, so basically a 200% return on the day. And I want to talk about this trade, why I took it. So this is US 500. 2777 strike. Let's go to the US 500, also known as the S&P 500. We are so far above this, there's almost like zero chance that we come back down into it. 2777 is basically the prior high of the day, or very, very close to it. You can see this is the VWAP right here, volume weighted moving average, something I'm going to be keeping my eye on for a touch moving forward. But yesterday, going into the close here, guys, we had an absolute puke into the close. We were consolidating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. I'm going to zoom in on this. This is a 5-minute chart. And then going into the last hour of the day, sellers stepped in and drove price all the way down into lows on the close. Now I have that extended session turned off, but I'm going to turn it back on here. And we actually closed on the lows here, underwater, and continue to sell. That was a retest of a major support level. Now, when I saw that level trade, the market had reopened. I picked up this trade last night right about, I think it was like 6:30. I decided to get long, guys. We have just been completely ripping out all day. So all I needed was an expiration above this 2775. I'm going to show you guys one of the things I look at every single day, and how you guys can make it useful as well. So on our website, if you're part of our Major League Trading program, if you're part of our membership, which is, if you're not part of it, you should join it. If you have any of our courses, whether it's the Nadex course, the MLT Pro Trader, I'm going to show you guys one of the things we have on our website for those members. So this is going to the website here. If we go into the trade room, every single day there's what we call the daily ES level sheet. I'm going to show you guys why I was thinking that we could break out. One of the things I'm watching is the ranges for the day. So the median over the last 10 days has been 32 points. The median's been 32 points. So we've been going 32 points top to bottom. Now yesterday, that level was basically 27.48. So I figured those had the possibility of being the lows of the day. So if we're on average moving up 32 points, call it 27.50, what would be 32 points higher? That would be 27.80. And I knew as soon as we got above, what I look at this wedge building. Okay, you see this wedge building here? We're at support. This is the higher time frame, halfway back long. We have a high, a low, then we have a lower high, then we have a higher low, lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low. So basically that is a wedge. There's a lot of pressure building. We came in very heavy selling, and I knew that as soon as we got above these resistance levels, that it was just going to be a straight up rip roaring rally. So that's what I was taking into consideration last night when I decided to go ahead and get long this trade. Just something that, let's see here, make sure, something that I thought about. I want to make sure I'm live streaming. Hold on, this should be live. All right, yes, it is live. All right, so that's what I was looking at. Now, going into tomorrow, we're going to have this negative 61% upside profit target. I would like to get a pullback here, but these types of trades are pretty rare. The only thing I didn't really like about this, guys, when volatility expands, Nadex contracts can become a little expensive, but still 200% return on a day was great. I actually did a heck of a lot better on this day. I basically, that was the cheapest, that was the furthest out of the money strike I could have bought last night when I got long. It was the furthest out of the money. On this day, when we broke down, I sold the furthest out of the money strike, and I was able to get them for 12 bucks. I had to pay $30 down here because volatility, as soon as we broke down, volatility expanded, and those contracts got more and more expensive. So one of the things, guys, like I said, every single morning we go over this trade plan here and go over the daily ES level sheet. If you're not part of our membership, you'll be able to do that. I'll leave a link below. Make sure to join that. Make sure to join my Major League Trading Nadex Master Course. You'll learn a lot of the techniques I have. If you like this video, if you find it helpful, if you found something useful, give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments below, guys. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your time here today, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.